welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can control the apps where I'm opening on startup. So if you want to remove any kind of app, you can also do that, or if you want to add any kind of other app, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the settings. If you want to open the settings from here, you can also do that, or if you want to open the settings from here, you need to click on the Apple logo, and then simply you have to click on the system preferences. And after clicking on this, simply we need to go to the user and groups. As you can see, has an option for the user and groups, so let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option for the login item, so we have to click on the login items. So as you can see, has your ID. Let's click on the login items, and after that you will see your all apps. These items will open automatically when you log in, so they are provided here. As you can see, currently there's no any kind of software. If you want to add a software, simply you have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon, you need to select that software, which software you want to add. For example, I'm gonna in application section, and after that you have to select that app which you want to open. For example, I want to open the Google Chrome, then you have to select the Google Chrome, whatever you want to open. For example, I want WhatsApp, so I have selected the WhatsApp, and simply I'm going to click on the add, and after clicking on the add, now it will be opened when my Macbook will be started. So in this way you can do that. Or if you want to remove this, simply you have to click on this, and now you have to click on this, and it will be removed. So in this way you can add or remove the software. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add or remove softwares on a startup. So see you guys in the next video.